In this assignment, you will create a Google Slides presentation with 10 examples of rule of thirds in photography. Now, for those 10 example of the rule of thirds, I want you to do 5 with the grid in the image. So you should see the grid just like you saw the grid in the examples on the slideshow that I just presented previously, and then 5 without the grid. So the 5 with the grid, you're going to see the subject matter line up on those guidelines, especially at those key intersections. Then you need to find 5 without the grid. So you're looking for images that use the rule of thirds. They're in the place. If you had the grid, you would see them right there in the place of the guidelines at the key intersections. The subject matter's head or whatever it is, or a tree is right there. Um, so 5 with, 5 without. And then you're going to do on the same slideshow 10 examples of point of view. Search for these images in the search engine using these phrases: rule of thirds in photography and point of view in photography. When you do point of view, make sure you're choosing images where you really feel like the viewer of these images should have the experience of feeling like they were the ones that took the picture, more like those first two examples, less like the third one, staring up at the trees. Now, on each slide, just like the other ones, you're going to have a large word that reads either rule of thirds or point of view. You're going to have an image that represents those and an image citation, image from whatever website.com, without anything after it. And make sure that you take a look at the points as it's broken down: 5 slides with the grid, 5 without, and 10 of point of view.